Hello, Year 5 students or anyone who's preparing for 11 plus. This is Arts Education's maths lessons for you. Be quick one. We're doing the first lesson on decimals. Very important skill for 11 plus, and it is generally tested in almost every question and every test you do. So we will need to learn our decimals pretty well. Alright guys, the first thing. I'm pretty sure you all know this, okay? What happens if I times 4.6 by 10? Okay, the teachers would have told you in schools, place values shifts to the left or decimal shift to the right, 46. Okay, then the next one, 4.6 times 100. The two zeros, 10 to the power of 2 or 100, so decimal will be shifted 2 spaces to the right. 1 space is there's 6, there's one more space which needs to go, which is not there. Cover it up with 0, 460. Thank you. I'm sure you know this one as well, people. What's going to happen? Same rule. You're going to shift the decimal over 3 spaces. 1 space is covered by the digit 6. 2 more spaces which are not there anymore. So we write 2 zeros in the end. Okay, lovely. Similarly, what happens if you divide? Goes the opposite direction. The place values shift to the right or decimal point shift to the left. 1 space. So this is 0.46. We should not be writing a number without just a decimal point in front of it. So that's why I put a 0 there. Lovely people. 4.6 divided by 100. Decimal point shifts 2 spaces to the left. This is 0.046. Because 1 space is covered by 4, there will be no space to go before the decimal comes in. That vacant arch will be covered by the 0. Arch, like I said, like Arts Education. Okay, that was a joke, by the way. So 4.6 divided by 1000, it is 1 space covered by 1 arch covered by this. 2 more arches as you go left. Okay, put a decimal there. Then 2 more zeros. 46. There's a 0 in front. Okay, lovely. Right. What I would like you to do, guys, you got to understand there is a multiplication and division relationship. 11 plus tests all over the country for private schools and the other schools. They test you guys quite a lot on this. I want to give you an example for this quickly. I'm pretty sure you know it. Those who don't, this is your opportunity to learn. There you go, guys. 43 times 67. You're expected to know this. I give you 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and tens. The answer is 2,881. Hope I got this right. Okay. Now the important point here is, guys, you will be given this at times and they'll ask you to use this answer to for the following question, Alright people, this is where the skill comes. Very important. So I'm going to ask you to do 4.3 times 67. What's expected of you is that you should not be multiplying this again, because the answer is given. This question and this question has got the same digits. It will have 2881, but then you count the decimal spaces. There's 1 here, none here, so starting from the right, decimal will come here. So that's 288.1. Number 2, I do one more example, which is 4.3 times 0.67. Same digits again, 6 and 7, 4 and 3, multiply to give me 2881. Counting the decimal spaces, people. 1 there, 1 and 2, 3. Start from here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's 2.881. I'm pretty sure you're getting there. Right. Next one, 430 times 67. What happens this time? From the original question, I have multiplied one of the numbers by 10 and the second number stays the same, so answer will be multiplied by 10 as well. That will be 28,810. I hope you can say this. Okay, number 4, which is really important, it is 2881 divided by 43, and the answer is Can you see division and multiplication opposite to each other? If you divide this answer by 43, you're going to get 67. And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is where it's going to get interesting now. I'm going to use this multiplicative relationship to answer certain things. 28.81 divided by 43. You're dividing a smaller number by the same number. So the answer will have to be smaller. This is divided by 100, isn't it? That number is divided by 100. So this answer will be divided by 100 as well. 0.67. Lovely. I'm sure you got this. Guys, this is where it starts to get really interesting from here. Okay. So this is 28.81 divided by 4.3. You got that number divided by 100 like in the previous question, but then you have dividing by a smaller number as well. It's actually 10 times. So you're dividing this one by 100, dividing this time by 10. Net result, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, will be divided by 10. Because you're cancelling dividing by 10 from dividing by 100. So net result is the answer should have been 67, it will be 6.7. And I would always advise people to make that assessment by approximating 4 goes into 28 how many times? Should be about 7 or 6. If you write answer of this at 67 or 670, you can clearly check that your answer is not right. This is an important skill, okay? That's it. We've finished this video here, and if you want to learn more about it, then wait for us to give you some more questions. You can contact us on by clicking our video, subscribing, and our videos. We can give you more answers and more new questions when you can. Multiplicative division relationship. Ladies and gentlemen, see you. Hope you're enjoying your test preparation. Bye bye.